Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm at the east side of Dartmoor at Yarner Wood. Going to be looking out for some summer migrants. Migrants are flooding into the UK at the moment as we speak. The likes of redstart, willow warbler, cuckoo, hopefully. So we're going to take a walk through the woodland up to the top at Trendlebeer, down up onto the moors. Should be good. It's pretty overcast, a bit gloomy, but there's no wind, so that's pretty good. So we're going to take a walk through, see what we can see. So we've got a male pied flycatcher, another summer migrant, singing just up in the tree behind me. Just about hear it. I think this probably just about pick it up, I think. Lots of woodpecker activity, great spotted woodpecker as expected. Did manage to film one drumming, which was nice. No lesser spotted as of yet. Try and get some footage of the pied flycatcher. Keep going. So we come out the end of the wood onto the moorland at Trendlebeer down. See if we can see any moorland species. No sign of any cuckoo yet, not heard any so far. But yeah, you can see the wood behind me. So we've come up along the edge and we'll head back in through the middle shortly. But we'll have a look around the moors first. See what's about. It's back in the woods now, heading down through the middle. Not a great deal to see on the moors, not a lot of activity at all really. Linnets and stone chat of course, but little else, but never mind. If we get time we'll head round to Haytor and Msworthy later. We've got a good chance. Cuckoo there hopefully, possibly redstart. But no, it's lovely, we've even got some sunshine. So we're going to keep going. flycatchers have arrived all the way from West Africa. Seen a few singing males establishing territory and looking for a mate. It was once a really scarce bird, red listed not so long ago. But various nest box programs going around the country. Yarner's one of them, and since then populations increased quite a lot. There's about 20,000 breeding pairs now, so it's now reduced to amber listed. Still a scarce breeder, but doing a lot better than it was, so that's really good news. Lovely little bird as well, so it comes a long way as well for the size of it. Amazing, yeah, amazing. So we're going to head away from Yarner shortly, head round to Haytor and Msworthy, see if we can get cuckoo. I haven't seen red start here, but there's a good chance of red start at Msworthy, so I've seen them there before, so fingers crossed for that. So we've arrived at Msworthy, seen the cuckoo flying across, I can hear him. Yeah, it was calling as I came in. So we're at the famous red roof barn on Msworthy. Hopefully we're going to see the red start. So we'll stake out for a while. Keep our fingers crossed. So we've seen the red start, absolutely brilliant. Male red start, a stunning bird. Seen the cuckoo flying across briefly and heard it, but not seen it since. Heard it a couple of times. The weather's turned a bit grim now. We did get some nice shots of the red start though. Some good shots in the rain, but the light's gone, which is a shame. But stunning place, Msworthy. It's soon going to be time for the bluebells to come out. They're normally quite late here, but I did a video here last year. It was absolutely stunning, gorgeous sight to behold. But it's been a really good morning. We've done quite well to some migrants, pied flycatcher, willow warbler, of course the red start, seen the cuckoo briefly. So thoroughly enjoyed it, yeah, it's been brilliant. So we're going to wrap it up there. Thanks ever so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks again.